So, ito pa ang sistema, mga kababayan. Allegedly, nung namatay itong taong ito, nataranta ang mga hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin nila kasi hindi nila mako-cover up dito kung ito ay totoo. 7 hours after the death nitong taong ito, tsaka na lang daw nila, di o mano, ni-report sa authority. Kasi hindi nila pwedeng pagtakpan. May mga tumangka na ibalik ka agad ang bangkay sa Pilipinas. But you cannot do it in America. Kasi dadaan ka sa proseso. Kapag suspicious ang kamatayan ng isang tao, kasi hodang ikaw ay powerful na personality, kasi hodang ikaw ay powerful artista o whatsoever, hindi ka makakalusot. Paano ngayon ninyo pagtatakpan na may kasama kayong nategi dito sa Amerika pa nategi sa Los Angeles and sa Beverly Hills? Social ang kinamatayan. At least, namatay ka sa Beverly Hills. Saan ka namatay? Ay, hindi ka na pa napakakasagot. Saan namatay yung friend mo? Doon sa Beverly Hills. Kung ito ay allegedly 7 hours na report, ang kanyang kamatayan, may mga titignan na anggulo ang authority. Pwedeng nag-obstruction of justice, tampering, pagtatakpan mo, baka gusto nilang sabihin, inatake sa puso. For sure, baka yun kung sa Pilipinas kasi pwede nilang palabasin na inatake sa puso o na ganito na ganyan kasi nababayaran lahat ng kapulisan. Pero dito sa Amerika, mga palangga, hindi mo pwedeng harangan o hindi mo pwedeng i-cover up yung pagkamatay ng isang tao kasi mananagot ka. Kaya I hope managot si Lisa Tanas dito dahil kasama niya ito.
According to Hollywood LA News that Mr. Juan Paulo Tantoco, 44, died at a hotel with case number 2025-4377. Los Angeles County is reporting the death of a 44-year-old Asian male that occurred at the Beverly Hilton Hotel, located at 9876 Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills. The coroner's office identified the man as Juan Paulo Tantoco. Status: the decedent's body has been released. Ruling by the deputy medical examiner is deferred, pending additional investigation. Manner and cause of death will be added to this page when it becomes available. Because the DME has ordered drug screening, the next public update may take 2 to 3 months. Rip Juan Paulo Tantoco, January 6, 1981, March 8, 2025. Formal pronouncement of death was made. On Saturday at 12:05 p.m., the decedent was a Filipino business executive who was part of the family known for owning the Rustans retail chain in their home country. He was in the United States, apparently, as part of the entourage of Liza Araneta Marcos, First Lady of the Philippines, who was promoting the Manila International Film Festival in Hollywood from March 4 to 7. The MF's tribute gala was held on March 7 at the Beverly Hilton. His body is currently being repatriated. It is not the LAPD, but the Beverly Hills Police Department that has jurisdiction in this